I tell you what, Gerard, one of the things that really got me the other day was when you used the phrase, how you change is how you succeed.
I always listen to sports stars, and Gary Player, a golf player in South Africa, said the more he practices, the luckier he gets. And I thought in business it's exactly the same. The more decisions we make, the more action we take, the more successful we will be.
I find one of the things is when people talk to me about change, I'm saying the change what you really need to start making is trusting that gut instinct inside yourself. We've been trained so much, no, don't trust yourself, follow the rules that this person's telling you. But it isn't. The change is to change how your self-belief and trusting that gut, it really does work for you.
Exactly, because business is not only about numbers. It's about that gut feeling, which is actually your limbic system, but leave it at a gut feeling.
Leave it at a gut.
If you don't trust your gut feeling, let's say you're in a situation and you've got that gut feeling, make a note in your journal, in your diary, and go back 2-3 weeks later, months later. And if you see that your gut feeling was right, start trusting that gut. Business is not only about numbers, it's about numbers and a gut feeling.
It really is. How you change is how you succeed. And hey, you can change by joining our 1 Minute Millionaire program. If you're interested, click the link below and you too can become a 1 Minute Millionaire.